Instead of memorizing grammar rules, focus on learning simple sentences. For example, instead of studying present continuous tense, just learn sentences like I am eating. She is going to the market. They are playing football. If you keep repeating and using these sentences, grammar will come naturally. The key is to listen more and copy. Listen to how native speakers talk and repeat after them. When you hear a new sentence, don't just understand it, say it out loud. Now that you understand how to surround yourself with English, think in English and stop fearing grammar. Let's go even deeper. Now, I am going to show you how to speak English in your daily life. Many people struggle with speaking because they don't know what to say or how to say it. But let me tell you something. You already know how to speak English. You just need to activate it.
Now it is a time for reflection.
Task 1. Vocabulary Hunt. Instruction.
Write down 3 new or interesting words you heard in the audio. Comment them below with their meanings. Task 2. Listening comprehension question. Instruction. Answer this. What was the main idea or message of the audio? Write 1 to 2 sentences in your own words.